Hey guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we play poker and we try and learn how to do it better. We've been using the GTO Wizard for the past few sessions. Last session we did a drill trying to master the button, and today we're gonna do another drill, and I think we're gonna do blind versus blind, just to, or maybe BB defense. Let's play some BB defense spots, and let's get right into it. 10-9 off on the big blind. Well, we're always gonna be on the big blind, so I'm not gonna continue saying that is a fault here. Queen Jack on 13, on 14 BBs is gonna be a check. We're always checking here to the limper, and we're folding on this stack depth. Yep. 7-4 suited on 80 BBs versus under the gun. I would call this, and it is a call. So good. We're always checking here, and under the gun bears full pot. Now, do we call this? Do we raise? And if we raise, how much and how often? I kind of like raising here with this particular hand, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna raise to 16.5. Okay, solver doesn't like that. Solver likes going all in or calling 50-50, which is weird, if you ask me. Why not use this sizing and do a raise instead? We're 80 big blinds deep. But okay, let's go to the next one. Pocket sevens. I think we're just calling here 100%. Yeah. We're checking to the pre-flop raiser. King on the King Jack 5. I think we're just folding pocket sevens 100%. Okay. Great. Jack 7 off on the big blind versus hijack open. We fold this on 25, right? Nope, we shouldn't be folding this. We should be calling 95% of the time and raising 5% of the time. Okay. Jack 7 off on 25 BBs versus hijack open. Okay. Pocket threes, lean from under the gun +1. Guess we shove it? Nope, we don't shove it. We should just check. Okay. Jack 5, we're not calling an all-in. Five 3 off, we're folding. Wow. Solver's actually calling here 46% of the time with 5-3 off. 10-7 suited, we call, we check on the flop, and we call. Queen of spades on the turn. Do we shove this hand? I think we check. And and fold it. Let's think here. He's not folding a king, right? Yeah. Wow, it's no, not this one. Yeah, never mind. Let's move on to the next one. 10-8 off. We call versus button open. 9-7-4 on the flop. Very nice flop. Button continues. Do we raise it? Do we just call? I think we raise it a lot. To how much? I think given that we're so short, I would raise short as well. We go called. 5 of spades on the turn. I think we should go small here again. Button shoves. I think we folded. But let's see what we did wrong here. So we should just call here. Raising small is similar EV wise, but calling is the play that the solver is using most of the time, and then we don't really know the actions for this sim, so let's leave it. Jack deuce suited on the big blind. Guess we call. Yeah. We check fold on ace king 9. Hijack limps, and we've got ace king on the big blind on 14 bigs. We're shoving it. Okay, we shouldn't be. We should just be opening to 5.5 BBs while shoving. It's similar EV wise. So it's just about the frequencies, because EV wise any raise is good here. Jack 5 suited versus button open. We call. Queen deuce deuce. We check to the preflop raiser, who checks behind. 8 of diamonds on the turn. Gonna check again. And I think we're gonna call this bet. Okay, solver doesn't like calling here. Gonna check fold now. And yeah, the solver is folding on the turn 97% of the time. And if it's not folding, it's raising. Yeah. Makes sense. 10-8 off. We're gonna check behind after the limp from under the gun. And of course we're checking on queen 6-4, and we'll check folding. Ace 9 suited on the big blind versus low jack open. I think we're mostly calling that. Okay, not. We're mostly 3-betting that. And on king 5 we're gonna check. And are we giving up on this board? I'm gonna, yeah. And on pre-flop, yeah. EV is same, but it's, for some reason it really likes this hand too for a 3-bet. 6-3 off. After a limp is gonna be a check. Gonna check. Button check behind. Now we pick up, well, we don't pick up anything. We still have a gut shot. We're gonna bet it now. I'm gonna bet full pot. We get called. 6 on the river. Means we've got showdown value, so we're gonna check it now. And the button checks behind. Take a look at the turn. The solver likes betting 2/3 more than full pot. EV wise, pretty much similar. Checking is also fine. And on the river, oh yeah, on the river, the solver really likes a blocker bet of 10% pot. And I checked instead. Makes sense, I guess. Let's go to the next one. Jack 9 off. We call off from after the button opens. Ace King 3. Gonna check and fold it. King 6 suited after a limp. We're gonna check it on the flop as well. And we're gonna fold it. Nope. Solver likes raising here a lot, 80% of the time, and calling another 20, so doesn't like folding on such a board. Oh yeah, with our king high we are beating a lot of his non-ace highs and non-pair hands. So kind of makes sense. 9-5. Oh, is a fold. Oh no. And we flopped very nicely, so we're gonna play it fast. We're gonna go for 3/4 or over bet. Gonna go for 2/3. We get called. And we're gonna shovel in now. And the villain folded, but pre-flop it's 100% fold. Calling is small EV loss, but yeah, it is an EV loss. And the last hand, number 20, is just a fold after an all-in from cutoff. So that's it for this session. Well, a pretty bad GTO score, 56% only after 20 hands, 7 wrongs, 2 blunders. So not the greatest session, but I still enjoyed it thoroughly, so I hope you did too. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, post them below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.